Good day, everyone. Today is 28th November, 2:58 p.m. Eastern Time. We have a disclosure here. This is the A scalper swing trading. Before we start with the swing trading, we will look very quick on the scalper first. It's the same auto trade where you have an option scalping the market or you can swing the market. It's the same one. This one here does not require any optimization, and it comes in for NinjaTrader 7 and NinjaTrader 8. All those A and a B scalper, C scalper, other indicators, all of them, you can have them on both NT7 and NT8. Because of the holidays and next month things is gonna slow down a little bit, I would like to show you that all those auto trades started at 9:30 and all of them on the target 200. If we like how the market is working, we can very simple right click, reload, and that you can go for another round. It's that simple. We can reload that auto trade and we can go another round. No big deal. But the advantage about it here, no optimization, no tweaking, straight out of the box, turn on and off. That's all what you have to do. You set your target. All those here are on 200. Why? No, this is must be the DAX. Yes, this is the DAX 500, the DAX. But the US future market, all of them on 200. 200. ES 200. Why doing that? What we are saying to the auto trade, we need minimum 200. One thing is a very simple trick, because of this month now we're coming into, we're gonna get a lot of flat markets sometimes, and where's the sticks gonna come from? So when we start at 9:30, if you see that market moving on the first hour, hey, we stay. If this market is struggling to get you your $200 on the first hour, maybe you need to stop and try to be safe. Safety is very important, especially for the next month we are coming into. One of the tricks we have done, as an example, we made the stop losses very small on it. Why a very small stop loss? Because here is the trick, folks. In order for you to survive in this market, especially in the future market, sometimes things cannot go right from the beginning, and that is very important. Or sometimes you will have 2 or 3 trades in a wrong direction before you start catching trend. I wish life is just one direction. It cannot be in one direction. So this is an example. This is a mid-size 3 minutes. I mean, it's not a Renko bar or it's not a small chart. This is a 3 minutes. This is very serious chart, which most of the traders, they use the 3 minutes and 5 minutes. Real traders, not a Renko bar. And this one here, I took that trade at 0.475 and exit at 0.650. So 0.575 and 0.675. This is less than 1 point. This is only 3 ticks. If we're looking at that picture here on the YM, on the ES, this is what you are going to experience next month, and this is your worst nightmare on any kind of auto trade. Right there. Hours and hours of a flat market. That tells you, if you have the wrong tools in your hand, that it will be disaster trading for you. That is gonna hurt your account severely. So that's why staying going on 3 contracts or 4 contracts it is very smart to spread out your trades, one or two for each market, and try to swing the market. This is the healthiest way to do it. And if you notice, even we started at 9:30, the first trade, it was, and we started 9:30 today in the webinar, where everybody was in the webinar. The first trade was at 10 o'clock. This is a very affordable if the trade went south. So the most important is swing trading, yes. What is the stop loss on that swing trading? Is it 50 ticks? Is it 60 ticks? Then you don't need an auto trade to trade. Then might as well buy yourself a coin and flip the coin. So the management is to have as little as possible stop loss, trying to survive until we catch the trend. Because if you have 50 ticks of stop loss, and God forbid if this market went to chop and you have 3 bad trades, that can make everybody sweat. And this is very important, the management before the auto trade. Then when the market start trending, we took that trade and it was over. So 875 in the clear. Then you add the commission, and this is very important. Anytime the auto trade, because this is a market order. This is, folks, a market order. It's not, this is a market order. Why we can afford a market order on this one here? Because you have to count on every trade. Not my auto trade, any type of an auto trade. You will have 1 tick slippage on the way in, at least, and 1 tick slippage on the way out. So we have a commission plus $12.50 in a slippage, and a plus another $12 or different market, NASDAQ $5 or $10, doesn't matter. So an average cost for you to take that trade is going to be around 25 bucks. Commission and slippage per 1 trade is going to be around $25. Here where is the secret in the auto trading. So if 1 trade costs $25 and your auto trade going in and out of the market on 10 trades, you have in slippage and commission minimum $250. And this is where, if that market made money for you, if a 3 trade, you lost trade, and then on top of it, you need to add slippage and commission, that can get very nasty for you. Being greedy, it is your worst enemy in this business. Be conservative, whatever you do, it is the most more calm. I know we all are human, we like to get as much as we can, but life is not like this sometimes. So this is, you need to open your eyes, especially for this next month. It's going to be very dangerous game for the one they are aggressive. You can be in a lot of trouble because it will be straight line. And look at this. This is a very nightmare. I mean, for a guy is a professional, he can scout this market and make 2-3 ticks. And it used to be in the early 90s. Those are my favorite days on the big ES, because you can easily get out of it a couple of $3,000 on the big ES, scalping a couple ticks here and there. It was, but now we are in 2017 and we are going to 2018. The market, the prices has smoothed out a lot because of the internet, and now traders can go in and out of the market within split seconds. And now it is a totally different story, not like the early 90s. So this is used to be our favorite days, but now becoming nightmares in 2018, especially if you are auto trading. This is a huge losses on it will be for taking a trade with a trend. This is going to be a nightmare for you. and you need to watch out for that. Let's take another example here. I'm looking for something big, a little bit bigger time frame. Let's take the ES on 4,000 volume. This is a mid-size as well. I don't care about that. I want to see the stop loss. We entered the market at 9:48, which is around 10 minutes after we started the auto trade, and we got the entry at 6:06, 26:06. Look at this. We got out at 26:05.50. The stop loss was 2 ticks. 2 ticks, folks. Then when the market took a trade, and then we took the trade. We did not miss anything. And look, we could have made another. Here is another entry, and we could have made more. But how would we know when we are done here? Here is the problem. When we are done here, how would you know this market is going to make more money, or is going to be sideways, or is going to be flat? So also being conservative and be happy for what you get for today. It is very important, folks, very important how to manage the auto trade. Of course, we still have a lot on the side here. You can see we have the DAX on 1,000 volume. It's not over yet. We have the 30-year Treasury bond. It's not over yet. It's not closed yet. And that will close now. They can start coming in one after the other. And folks, I thank you very much. God bless you all, and see you another day. Bye for now.